welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite cream, which is Vicco Turmeric. I have already done a detailed review of Vicco Turmeric on my other channel, which is a Hindi channel. Many of you have watched it, and for those who have not really watched that video, I will try to put the link in the description box. And if you have watched already, you must be knowing that it's a one-stop solution for me. Whenever I have any skin problem, I use Vicco Turmeric, and not only me, even my whole family use that cream. So whenever I have skin allergies, whenever I overdo makeup, whenever I have acne, whenever any skin problems, I use Vicco Turmeric. And as I've said, my whole family uses it. Let me give the credit to my mother because she was the one who introduced the Vicco Turmeric to our family. I started using Vicco Turmeric when I was very young, I would say. My mother gave me this cream and she said, it's nice cream, use it. So I was using it because my mother gave me. I had no idea. But after some years, I got to know about some new skincare products and all that. So I was very fascinated. And yes, I used some new skin creams and all that. But they were not too good on my skin. So I had to go back to my Vicco Turmeric regime, and I started Vicco Turmeric, and that was the time. Till now, I use Vicco Turmeric for any skin related problems, and I love it. It's very affordable, it's Ayurvedic, and it has turmeric, which is an amazing ingredient. Now you must be thinking that why I'm talking so much about Vicco Turmeric. So let me tell you, recently I went shopping and there I saw this. Ta-da! A new launch from Vicco Turmeric. Now you know my love for Vicco Turmeric. So yes, I had to grab this. Now I have it. I've used this I've been using this from last 10 to 15 days, and I loved the experience, and that's how I thought that I should share my experience with you, because it's winters and you need a perfect body lotion for you. And I'm in Delhi, so Delhi cold is really chilling. So yes, we need a really good body lotion. And I know most of you must be looking for a body lotion, perfect body lotion for you. So I thought, yes, I should help you for choosing one for you. So let's do the detailed review. Let's start with the brand Vicco Turmeric. Yes, you know Vicco Turmeric is a very trusted brand, and if you ask myself, I know I can never go wrong. Whenever they are going to launch any product, I can pick it without looking at the product, what the product is, what are the ingredients, because they have this legacy and their name is it's very trusted. So that way, yes, it's very trusted. And then their all products are Ayurvedic. So here you can see it says it's Ayurvedic medicine. And the products comes with turmeric. So turmeric, it's a Ayurvedic ingredient, or you can say a natural ingredient. Turmeric is going to do wonders on your skin. So yeah, that is one thing. Then all the products from Vicco Turmeric are vegan, and they are cruelty free. This body lotion is non-greasy. Then let's talk about the quantity. Quantity is 300 grams. The price for this one is 230 rupees. And whenever you go to market, if you find out any Ayurvedic product, I'm quite sure you can't get any natural or Ayurvedic body lotion in 230 rupees. So yes, I would say it's affordable as well. Then let's talk about the packing. Packing, you can just see it's quite simple packing. It comes with the pump. It has this open and close, so you can open it and you can close it by twisting the head. So yes, packing wise, quite nice. Now let me open it and show you the feel. So it's a bit yellowish. If you have used Vicco Turmeric cream, so even Vicco Turmeric cream has bit yellow tinge. That's because it has turmeric. So this is the yellow tinge, and then you can just rub it. It's quite thick, you can say. So this has more moisturizing effect. Let me just rub it like this. And the feel is just amazing. You can see. So it makes your skin so soft, and I just use this once daily, sometimes twice, or if required thrice, but one application is just enough for Delhi winters. Delhi winters, it's super chilling in Delhi. So for Delhi winters, one application is just amazing. One is just enough. So yes, I loved it. And the smell, it says it's Ayurvedic medicine, but it does not smell like any herbs or something like that. It has nice, very pleasing smell, you can say. So yes, I love the smell as well. All but wait, let me tell you why you should buy or why you should use this product. First, because of its name, it's very trusted. Second, it's Ayurvedic. Third, it has natural ingredient like turmeric. Fourth, it's non-greasy. Fifth, it's vegan. Sixth, it's cruelty free. Then it's quite affordable. Then the moisturizing effect is just amazing. One application is just enough for you. So I think everything about this body lotion is nice and I loved it, and that's why I'm doing this review, because generally I don't do lots of review. I do review for those products which I actually love. So yes, this is one of the product, and if you ask me, yes, I loved it. And I will say you can go ahead and buy this product because it's amazing. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.